Hi, I'm gonna take my mask off. It has been a while. I tried vlogging during midterms week. That didn't work out. I tried vlogging after midterms week. Vlogged for like the morning part, completely forgot I was vlogging. That definitely did not work out. And now it is currently 12:35 p.m. October 9th, and it is a Friday. I'm actually off today. I was off Wednesday, Thursday, and today because where I work, they have like their fall break. That's been nice, not having to work for 3 days and just like being able to focus completely on school. Which, by the way, I'm going to the art store. I'm going to the art center here in Memphis that's close to campus, and I'm gonna pick up some things that we need for class next week or this upcoming week. I need white Stonehenge paper, black India ink, a bamboo brush, and Dixie cups. And then next week I think I might have to get some other paper, some other supplies. I don't know, it depends. We're not really like following the syllabus, like we are at the same time, but we're not. Does that make sense? Because of this whole corona thing, a lot of like our class, at least in my drawing 1 class, has been like not completely following the syllabus. Like we've just kind of been going at our own pace and like shifting things around as we go. Yeah, so that's my goal for today. I woke up this morning, I went to the Mac lab, and I finished my advanced digital imaging assignment that's due on Monday. So we love productivity. Oh, there's someone walking. What else did I do? I took a COVID test. Boy, there's so much I have to update you on. A couple days ago, the school is doing randomized testing. So a couple days ago, your girl was chosen to be randomly tested for COVID, and I was so scared. I literally prayed before I went in there, and I asked God to like hold my hand while I did it, because I was just, I was afraid. Anything medical wise, like I tend to pass out, and that scares me, and I didn't want to pass out in a trailer full of people. But thank the Lord Jesus, I didn't pass out. It was actually a very pleasant experience. It didn't hurt at all, and the lady that did the swab test, you know, she was really nice and sweet about it. I don't know what else I need to talk to you about. I feel like I'm just like rambling and like trying to catch you up as fast as I can. But yeah, I'm on the way to go to the art center, and then I guess I will show you what I pick up, even though I told you what I was gonna pick up. I think me and my friends are going to have like a little movie night in the arts building here. It's the only building that's open 24 hours, and we can't necessarily hang out in our rooms because it's illegal here to do that. So, but we can hang out in the arts building. So I think we're gonna have another movie night, like a Halloween movie night. Hopefully we find a room, we usually do. I need to submit an essay. Let's do it midnight and start working on my drawing portrait, planner portrait. So I'll take you along with me. And this time, I will remember to whip you out. Okay, I just had to pop on here real quickly again. I'm at the art center. I just got out and I bought my stuff. Ooh, someone messaged me. I bought my stuff, and my art professor from my drawing class actually works here. And I knew she works here like over the weekends, but I figured like since it was Friday, like maybe she had like a class or something that she had to teach. But she was here and she helped me pick out my stuff, which was really nice. But I like came in and she was like, "Hey, Nahir," and I was like, "Who the heck knows my name?" And it was her. And I was like, I recognized her mask, and I was like, "Oh, hi." I didn't know how to like address her, like professor, like how do I I don't even know. But I wanted to show you the things I got. I have to run to Kroger and get the Dixie cups, but I might as well just show you. This is the Bombay India ink. You probably can't even really see it. And then I got the bamboo brush, which is in here. It looks kind of funky. It's thick. That's what it looks like. It has like a really huge brush end, and it's like stiff. But she said once I dip it in water, it'll soften up and it'll be good to go. Also, look at how cute their packaging is. I love that everything is in a brown paper bag. Super cute and sustainable for the environment, for the most part, at least better than plastic shopping bags. But yeah, I'm gonna go run to Kroger and then go back to my dorm, and I'll knock that off my list. There is a lady running with a dog. Is this a vet place? Oh, it is a vet place, but she's like running. That's really weird. So I'm back in my beautiful 4x4 jail cell. What am I doing? I'm gonna cross off my list. You hear that truck? Buy drawing supplies. Check. Now I have to take an archaeology quiz. I have to submit my midterm essay by midnight and then work on my planner. I don't even know if I'm saying that correctly. But while I do that, I did also want to mention my chapstick, because I don't know if I'm putting poison on my lips or if my mouth just has a weird taste or whatever. But I bought this when I went to Portland. When did I go to Portland? In July. And it's the Sun Bum Coconut with 30 broad SPF in it. And I don't know, it also has aloe and vitamin E. And I don't know if it tastes like poison when I put it on my lips because of the aloe on it or the SPF or something. But it is literally so disgusting. Like, I hate putting this on my lips, but it was literally, I think I paid like $4 for this little thing. Sun Bum is a really good brand, plus like SPF on my lips. What else could I want? It's vegan and I think it's cruelty free and stuff. So I was like, oh my god, you're checking off literally all of my boxes. I will add you to my cart and I will check you out. But once I put it on my lips, it is literally the most disgusting thing I have ever even put on my body. It smells immaculate. It smells like coconut. It's so gross. It's literally like poison and I don't understand. So if someone could help me, I would really appreciate it. If you've tried that brand, maybe it's that certain flavor that is not doing it for me. But if you've tried that brand and you like it, let me know. If they all taste like poison, why do you like it? If you know of another vegan chapstick, let me know. Like, look how much I have left. It's literally torture. So I thought I would treat myself by eating an Airhead. This is White Mystery. My boo made me a spooky basket. It's like literally right there. So cute. And these are in it, so I'm gonna eat it. But I need to take out my aligners first. Oh, okay, so you can come in. I was like, are they knocking on my door? Like, what is that? You wanna be in my video room? Okay, don't mind the showering in the background. I think one of my sweet mates is showering. But I just uploaded a YouTube video. I took my archaeology quiz and now I'm gonna pack up and go to the arts building here and start working on, I guess, my essay that's due at midnight. And I'm also gonna take, I think I'm also gonna take my art stuff and I'm gonna start working on that as well after my midterm. I don't know whether I should like get a burger and fries tonight, which is at 7 when I can do that. And it's currently 3. I usually eat around like 5:36, or if I should make like a curry in my room, which I haven't started making any rice or anything, so I don't know. I also forgot to mention earlier that during this month that I've been off of YouTube, I guess, that I was taking like a little break, I had my birthday, which was really cool. I turned 22. Nice. And I honestly feel like 22 is going to be a good year. I mean, it already has been a really good year. Yeah, I'm just grateful and I'm blessed to even be here and have this opportunity and get to go to school and stuff. And I'm grateful that, you know, my family and my friends are safe and healthy. School's doing really good. It's picking up. It's been kind of hard, especially during like midterms week and stuff. I had like three projects due on Monday of midterms week and it was a lot. But then after that, like, I kind of have gotten the pace of things and I kind of know now like how I should be managing my time with work and stuff. And now that I'm adding YouTube back in the mix, it's going to be a little bit more. I think that's why I originally took a break anyways, because it was just getting to be too much, and I don't know, I feel like that's kind of healthy. We also had bid day for my sorority, so that was kind of cool. And we also had Big Little reveal, which was cool. Me and my family went to a park nearby, and we had like a little picnic in the dark, which was a story in and of itself. So change of plans. I'm not gonna go to the art building, at least just yet. I'm currently in the middle of making a curry. I made some bomb rice and now I'm gonna do the curry portion of it. And I'm gonna be cooking lentils on my Instant Pot, which takes a while. So I thought I might as well just get started now, so then when dinner time comes around and I'm hungry around like 6ish, it's already done and it's there for me. I have the recipe saved in my phone. Let me go get it. I know I'm gonna need garlic and the rest of my, what is this called? Ginger. Love ginger. I also want to put spinach in it. And I have like lots of vegetables too. I'm gonna do some kind of food magic. I'm going to cook this and watch some Shameless. So. Read an essay that I wrote last night that's due tonight at midnight, my midterm lit essay, and I have to say I thought it was complete trash last night, and I went to bed at like 11:30 because I just like could not focus on it anymore. I was literally working on it for like 6 hours yesterday and I just kind of gave up. But today I literally just read it out loud for the first time, and I have to say I'm kind of proud of myself. I think it sounds really good. I hope it's at least a B. I'm praying for at least a B. Right now I'm gonna put it through Grammarly and pray for the best when I submit it. And then that's gonna be literally the biggest thing that I needed to check off my list today, which means that we're doing good, baby. We are making strides. So that's cool. Just wanted to update you guys because I'm happy that is over. I don't even want to revise it. I'm not even going to. I'm literally just gonna turn it in. So yay for good work. So I just added spinach and it smells so freaking good. Oh my gosh. I love curry. Like, I love Indian food. It's one of my favorite foods. It's just so flavorful and it has so many spices and so excited. It made a big batch though. I feel like maybe I should have like halved the recipe. I think the recipe says that it makes 6 servings, which is kind of a lot, but you know. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna plate up my food and then eat my curry. And then I'm gonna watch Shameless. It's a good Friday night. Hi guys, I just brushed my teeth, I washed my face, I put on my rosehip oil, and I'm about to put on my moisturizer. This is the Derma E Vitamin E 12,000 IU cream. I don't know, but it does wonders. I love Derma E, they're a really good brand. I just got back to my dorm, it's raining, and I'm ready to go to sleep. It is 1:20 in the morning. And my camera just died, so you're on my phone. Also, these watermarks are from splashing my face when I was washing my face. Like I was saying, I kept thinking that today was Saturday for some weird reason. I felt like I had to keep like rushing my work, and then I realized like, no, you still got 2 more days until your projects are due, so that's pretty good. I finished my portrait drawing. It doesn't exactly look like me, but it doesn't exactly not look like me, so it's a little improvement. I took the notes that we took in class, and I tried to draw my face, but I'm not the best artist either. But I'm still kind of proud of how it kind of turned out. I have to draw, I basically have to do a planar portrait, which is like drawing like geometric shapes on like rounded surfaces. So the portrait isn't going to end up looking pretty anyways, so it's fine. But with that being said, that's all going to be done tomorrow. That's my goal for tomorrow, is to finish it all. Oh my gosh, do not mind my hair. I just wanted to end this video off here and say thank you that is so embarrassing. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't subscribed already. I would really appreciate it, and I really appreciate every one of you guys who have subscribed already down below. I think the last time I checked, I had 334 subscribers, which is really freaking cool. I think last year I had 150, so we've like doubled, which is kind of really awesome. Appreciate you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.